Hey, you YouTubers out there. All right, heating season it's in swing here out in the out in the West Coast. I just wanted to share it was a Bryant furnace. It was the high efficient 80 percenter, two stage. And I got there and there was a capacitor out in the blower motor. Well, that was an easy fix. But that wasn't the problem. We had a code, an LED code flashing on it. This is a natural gas unit. And again, it's a Bryant. Model numbers are 330 Jason Adam Victor 036060 Frank David Jason Adam. It was flashing code 21. And the code 21, it talks about the gas heating lockout, okay? So the control will not auto reset, okay? So doesn't matter. You can turn the power off to it and wait, turn it back on. It cycles through everything. Okay, so when it starts, after this code, well, basically when you turn it on, the fan runs for 90 seconds. The blower motor runs for 90 seconds, okay? Once that 90 seconds hit, boom, it'll start to turn on the inducer motor assembly. It'll start turning the motor on. The inducer runs for 3 seconds, 3.8 seconds. Boom, shuts off, locks out, flashes at 21. So, I called tech support because I just wanted to run it by, because you know what, sometimes you just run across the stuff and it's the logic board, or in this case it's HSCI, furnace control. Part number Harry Kite 42 Frank Zebra 015. That's the part number. Okay. For the logic board that's in this particular furnace. But that code, it flashes the 21. It says check for a miswired gas valve. Okay. It says defective control valve relay. And that's what it was in this case. Yeah, it's the gas valve, the relay in it. So why didn't it throw a code as I was talking to the tech support? Why didn't it throw the code? I mean, this should be like when it's warming up, the hot surface igniter during that period. And then as soon as after it's, it isn't rectifying anything. It's just a time delay. So if it's on for 7 seconds and then it kicks over to the gas valve, that's when it should be flashing at 21. But it flashed at 21 when the inducer ran for 3.8 seconds. So it was the gas valve. Replace the gas valve. You check the ground and all of that too. Ground of the burner. Yeah, you check it. There's a couple grounds on there. And sure enough, that's what it was. A defective gas control valve. It's a 2-stage. Yeah. Replace it and you're good as golden. All right. And that again is on the Bryant. So if you do get the code 21, more than likely you're going to be replacing that gas valve. So the gas control valve. So hope it's been some help there. And I should have some pictures of some stuff for you. But thanks for watching. Thanks for listening regarding the Bryant furnace with the code 21.